Hey guys, it's Jasmine Rochelle and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be doing a wash day using Up North Naturals, and this is a Canadian black female owned hair care brand, and it has all natural ingredients. It is not tested on animals and it's designed to give your natural hair moisture, shine, and overall health. These products are available at select Target locations in the US, Walmart Canada, as well as independent salons and beauty supply shops across North America. So the first thing I'm going to do is make sure I get my hair nice and drenched with water. So now I'm going in with the Reset Gentle Shampoo, and this shampoo is infused with rosemary and mint. It is gentle and it cleans and nourishes your curls without stripping your hair, and it is color safe. As I was applying the shampoo, I was really surprised because usually shampoos that are made like gels tangle up my hair, but my fingers were gliding through my hair. My hair was not getting tangled, so that was a huge plus for me. I'm just going to continue to work the shampoo throughout my hair to make sure that I'm getting my scalp really clean. This is what my hair looks like after rinsing out the shampoo, and my hair feels very clean and lightweight. And now I'm going to go in with the Restore hair mask, and this hair mask is supposed to be applied to clean wet hair. You can finger detangle or use a wide tooth comb. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this mask in sections, and then I'm going to detangle with a wide tooth comb, and I'm going to leave it in for at least 5 minutes. You can also try this hair mask using steam for 20 minutes for a complete restoration to thirsty or damaged curls. So this is my hair after taking out my twists, and the hair mask made my hair feel very moisturized and my curls are looking really healthy. So now I'm getting ready to go ahead and rinse it out. So I just finished rinsing out the hair mask, and look at my curls. My hair looks so good. It looks healthy. My curls look defined. My hair looks shiny. My hair feels soft. So I'm really happy with the results. So now it is time for me to style my hair, and first I'm going to section off my hair, and then I'm going to spray each section with water, and then I'm going to go in with a Define Stronghold gel, and this gel is very moisturizing. It is lightweight and makes your curls pop instantly without feeling hard or crunchy, and it is great for all hair types. This hair gel can also be used on top of the Up North Naturals hair milk or the styling foam for best results. Next, I'm going in with the UpLift styling foam, and this foam is a multi-use styling foam that gives definition, shine, volume to all curl patterns and hair types. It is lightweight, and you can use this foam on top of the hair milk and or gel for lasting softness, definition, and shine. And you can use this foam for wash and goes twist outs, rod sets, and many more protective styles. Look at this definition. It is crazy. My hair looks so defined, so shiny, so moisturized. These products are the bomb. So now I'm finished my hair. It looks beautiful, moisturized, and defined. So now I'm going to see you guys tomorrow to show you guys the final results. Alright guys, so I'm back the next day and this is how my hair looks. I let it air dry and now I'm just fluffing it out and I'm separating my curls. My hair is defined, it's nice and lightweight. So now I'm going in with the Up North Healthy Edges Edge Control and I'm just gonna lay my edges. Alright you guys, so as you can see, my edges are laid and overall this was a great wash and go and I really love these hair products. So I would advise you guys to go and get you some. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!